Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is consolidating during the weekend. Bitcoin and Ethereum holding steadily, and we see a few altcoins pumping just like yesterday. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated about the fastest growing industry that we have ever seen since the internet. So, I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So, everything just for your education and for entertainment purposes only. So, always do your own research, educate yourself, and make your decision based on your research and also take responsibility for your decision. So, smash those like, push the bell, notification on, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's share my screen and let's check our favorite bubble chat. You see this Saitama meme coin just dropped after rallying for a few days. We see almost most of the altcoins in red, so they are correcting, consolidating a little bit. But yesterday they did really well. Today we see Tezos, Link, Engine, Helium, Flow, Arweave, and Axie Infinity. Bitcoin is traded around 37,700 and Ethereum is traded around 2,573. Just a slight, just a small minus. Okay, so let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index, and it is 29. So we are in the fear zone. So we are getting out from the extreme fear and getting in just the fear, just the fear. And guys, in the past 1 month, we were at this level just in the beginning of January. So we were just below and around 20 and also dipped several times at 10 and 11. And if we are looking back during the summer dump in 2021, the index went as low as 10 4 or 5 times, and then the greed came back to the market. So also we know, and there is a saying from Warren Buffett that be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. It's somehow fear. Maybe we are coming to end of the fear, and this can bring us back the correction and better investor sentiment. But hope you dollar cost average. You bought some in this with dollar cost averaging with DCA. Okay, so our next news, but there was a news that it just closed down. So Grayscale launches Future of Finance Index in partnership with Bloomberg. The filing to the SEC to approve its Bitcoin ETF application, Grayscale has launched a new crypto-related index to track digital asset companies. So they are still waiting for the Bitcoin ETF application, so proposal, and just they submitting a new Future of Finance Index and partnering with Bloomberg. And this index will track different crypto-related equities and blockchain crypto-related equities, and they are investing in traditional shares. Okay, so it sounds good. We'll see how far it goes. I see in the future more and more metaverse gaming and some finance related indexes will be launched. Next piece of news is hedge fund managers says that Bitcoin will eventually be worth over 1 million US dollar per coin. 1 million US dollar per coin. Hedge fund manager James Lavish explains using simple math why he believes that the price of Bitcoin will eventually reach $1 million. And he works at the Texas-based SEC registered investment advisory firm, Luther King Capital Management. And yes, okay, James Lavish BTC will eventually hit 1 million. There are currently 700 trillion of global investment assets. Bonds, 137 trillion, stocks 117 trillion, real estate 290 trillion, art and collectibles 22 trillion, gold 10 trillion, M2 money supply, cash savings 130 million, and total it's almost 700 trillion. And see, guys, art and collectibles worth double than gold, and Bitcoin and crypto is just around these 2 trillion. So together, okay. So at 42,000 per coin, BTC market value is at 900 billion, or just 0.13% of global assets. As individuals and asset managers learn about and gain comfort in Bitcoin, these numbers grows. 1% equals 7 trillion, and that would mean 337,000 US dollar Bitcoin price. And if let's say 3% from the total would result 21 trillion market cap, and that would lead to 1 million US dollar BTC price. Okay, billions and billions of institutional dollars will be looking for a way into Bitcoin this year, and for the first time ever, you can beat them to the trade. So you have the chance, guys, fortran these institutional investors and investing in Bitcoin and crypto, because you are here and you are educated yourself. Next piece of news is Portugal opens first physical store for Bitcoin and selling of Bitcoin. Okay, and these are physical stores, and they are selling and buying and selling Bitcoins. BitBase plans to capture a major share of the Portuguese crypto distribution market. So this is a exchange kiosk or whatever that you are going there, and you can buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos. Yeah, good idea. So I see the traditional fiat exchanges in exchange kiosk will turn to crypto exchange kiosk. Funny thing. Next piece of news is Goldman Sachs sees the metaverse as 8 trillion US dollar opportunity. Global investment bank Goldman Sachs has predicted that the metaverse could be an 8 trillion US dollar opportunity. Several others have similarly predicted that the metaverse is a multi-trillion dollar market. We think this could be as much as 8 trillion opportunity on the revenue and monetization side. So, guys, good to see that others also realizing how these metaverse things can develop further. And the next piece of news is that pop star Justin Bieber buys Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT for 1.3 million US dollar, pays more than 300% above floor price. So why did he pay 3 times on the floor price? Maybe he likes special this Bored Ape guy. Okay. So good to see that celebrities coming in, and also not just metaverses, but NFTs are a hot topic today and will be in the coming weeks and years. Google Cloud launches a digital assets team. Google Cloud wants to develop a blockchain infrastructure and just announced a new team to focus on digital assets. So, guys, this is huge. So, Google Cloud definitely, I think they are looking into the cloud storage with Filecoin and Siacoin, and both are crypto projects. So, definitely check them out. If Google will partnering with them, this partnership can make some nice bump on the price of these coins. So Google writes to Blockchain Wave, we are inspired by the work already done in the digital asset space by our customers, and we look forward to providing the infrastructure and technologies to support what's possible with blockchain technologies in the future. So this is huge, guys. So Google entering the crypto. So Let's go and check our next news. Bitcoin could be valued at about 1 million US dollar per coin by 2030, according to ARK Invest. So we already got this news during the week. So Cathy Wood and ARK Invest expect Bitcoin to go as 1 million US dollar at 2030 and Ethereum 180. The extreme power consumption of Bitcoin mining set to higher than that on the entire of Bangladesh has raised serious concerns about the overall sustainability of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is still proof of work, and this is trustworthy decentralized technologies working. Okay, the Shibaverse is coming. Shiba Inu announces entrance into the metaverse. So Shiba Inu is entering into the metaverse, and Shibaverse, as promised, we are so excited to announce our fourth special surprise for the year, SHIB Army. In 2022, we are reaching new highs and welcoming the Shibers and immersive experience for our ecosystem and the metaverse space. We can't wait to show you more. Woof. What is Shibaverse? Is a metaverse with Shiba Inus and other dogs and dog lovers. Next piece of news is Twitter launches NFT profile picture verification for some iPhone users. So this is huge, guys. If you are buying this Bored Ape Club or if you are buying another NFT, then you cannot just put on it as your Twitter profile. Twitter will verify if you are holding this assets. They will verify on the blockchain, and then you will able to upload these NFT as a profile picture. Twitter will now let users of its Blue service verify ownership on the NFTs used as their as their profile picture. The service is for now only available in the iOS users. Through Android users will be to view the NFTs. So this is huge, if you ask me, and also be aware because we are working on a really juicy NFT project that we will spoiling some information, maybe, hopefully, in the next week. Next piece of news is Circle's CEO predicted Bitcoin will hit a 1 million US dollar called gold, a relic, and says he only understands about 0.5% of the world of crypto in a recent interview. Here are the 10 best quotes. Okay, where are the 10 best quotes, right? Yeah. Okay. So, he also discussed the SEC regulation of stablecoins and Circle ongoing SPAC listing process. So, Circle is the issuer of the USDC stablecoins. If you didn't know that, here are the 10 best quotes from Alia's exclusive interview with Insider. Okay, I can vividly remember. Okay, so you can check all these quotes, but the most important things that he expect Bitcoin to reach 1 million US dollar. But when? What is the date? What is it, guys? There is no date. There is no date. It's not a real prediction because we need a date. So let's go and check. So we don't have any other news to top up. So guys, definitely follow CorionX on Twitter and also join our Telegram group. You will find educational content here, and also you can ask questions here and just be active, and also follow us on Twitter. Always like and share. So also on Twitter, just come and also follow me at MIKLOS Dankler, and also follow at Corion platform. And you see, we are sharing different things that El Salvador adopted Bitcoin, countries fighting for Bitcoin, states fighting for Bitcoin, corporations buying, billionaires buying, politicians buying, hedge funds buying, future ETF approved for Bitcoin, dollar reserve system is crashed according to this. And you see, Several countries after El Salvador, like Tonga, Mexico, Argentina, Nigeria, Paraguay, Kenya, are working on some maybe full or just semi crypto adoption, Bitcoin adoption regulations, and also few states follows, like Arizona, Texas, Florida, Wyoming, New York, Tennessee, Mississippi, Oklahoma. Yes. So watch for Bitcoin's daily RSI breakout. Massive bullish move can come if this happens. So this is from Matthew Highland, and you see this is the Bitcoin price, and this is the RSI. The RSI is the relative strength index. And you see also RSI has trend lines. RSI has trends. And if the trend line is broken, then we might expect a move. So currently breaking out of the multi-month downward sloping resistance. This is that the two previous breakouts during the past year have led to massive bullish moves, just like here and just like here in end of July. Let's go. And yes, Senator from Mississippi introduces bill to recognize Bitcoin in the state court. Arizona, the next state, want to make Bitcoin a legal tender. Here is this filings or whatever. Where the Bitcoin key levels? Do you think at 38.5 thousand? Yes, I think 38.5. That also, so 38.5 are key levels for Bitcoin. Unpopular opinion that nobody wants to spend Bitcoin. Okay, this is where they take your Bitcoin. This is by Angelo BTC, and Bitcoin bottom is in. If you are expecting another leg down, there is a high probability you are smoking crack, not croaking, but smoking crack. And also, this is the Bitcoin price as a function and usage and the number of users. So, guys, also check out our farms. You will find farms if you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX. Go to Uniswap, provide liquidity there, and look up your LP tokens and earn 330% APR. We will look into if you have an unlock problem, just write to info@corion.io. We are just checking those issues. So if you are holding BEP20 version of CorionX, just go to app.corion.io. But before, look up some liquidity on PancakeSwap, CorionX BNB pairs, and then you can earn up 122% APRs, and we will adjust this APRs very, very soon. So guys, this is for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Please smash those like, share this video with your friend, and see you tomorrow. Happy week and successful week to everyone.